Here we go.
You ready to go?
Ready. Let's hit this.
This is a little hot rod, man. How cool is this?
Ignition on. I mean, just boom, starts.
She fires right up. We got to get weather stripping in that door.
The one,
It ain't vibrating.
the one that's rattling.
No, you need to.
Yeah. Okay, here we go.
Man, the steering actually feels good.
It's soft. Very nice. Woohoo!
Oh man, what a cool little car. I love it. Boom, boom. Might help if I was in first, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Ain't no synchros in this old girl.
Not in first. Look at that.
I love it. Man, the steering feels good.
Amazing what a little grease will do.
We do need to, I'll bring in my alignment stuff
Yeah, we can do that.
so we can align the steering wheel.
Yeah. Got to get a speedometer cable too.
Oh man, she drives like a champ. And the brakes aren't bad. It's what I would expect.
Yeah. I mean, it's four-wheel drum. It ain't gonna be race car brakes.
I don't know. Let's see what she'll do. You think we can burn those 13-inch wheels off of her?
I don't know, man.
Let's stop her down and see
There
how
you go.
she does.
And then get her down into go gear.
All 1500cc high compression, baby, to the floor.
Damn near 52 horsepower pumping under that hood.
It's to the floor. Oh man, it drives and runs good.
It's a smooth little car.
How cool is that? Man, what a neat car. 40 years this thing sat. You know that, right?
No, I did not know it was that long.
Oh man. First gear dropped in just nice. See if it'll make it up the hill.
Ooh, there she goes. Pulls like a champ.
Man, what a cool little car. Where you want it?
That's good right there.
We gotta go through it and check it out. Anyway.
Oh yeah, I gotta.
Oh man, that's awesome.
Killer.